All students take fresh space. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 4. Take fresh space, everyone. Take fresh space. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 4. Take fresh space. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 4. Bill. Take fresh space. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 4. Bill. This chapter is very easy chapter, students. Within 2 days, you'll finish this chapter. Nothing is there. What is the meaning of bill? What is the meaning of bill? Why we are preparing the bill? What is the importance of bill? Every concept and how to prepare bill and sample. What is sample format of the bill? Everything will explain. Now listen carefully, everyone. All students listen carefully. Yes. Now listen carefully. What is the meaning of bill? Whenever we buy something, the shopkeeper gives us a statement. Listen carefully, everyone. Whenever we buy anything, shopkeeper gives us a statement of the total amount due to be paid. This statement is called bill. What is the meaning of bill? When we are going to shop, when we are purchasing any items, shopkeeper is giving one slip. That slip is nothing but bill. On that slip, what information is there? First information will be name of the store, address of the store, phone number of the store, date of transaction, a list of items purchased, rate of each items, total, sales tax, after that cash given, cash return, and return policy also is there. All this point students you will observe, they have mentioned in the bill. If students in your home, any one bill you have, you can take the bill, students. In your home, if you have bill, you can take the bill and check it the bill. What is the meaning of bill? Bill is nothing but a statement. Whatever we are when we are going to shop, when we are purchasing any items, shopkeeper is giving one slip. On that slip, all whatever item you have taken, what is the cost of each item, everything they have mentioned in the bill. Okay, that statement of slip, the slip is called bill. Why we are taking bill, students? What is the need of taking bill? What is the need of taking bill? Yeah, bill is very, very important. Suppose I purchase one item. After 2 days, that item has damaged. Then if we have bill, then we can show to the shopkeeper, yes, this is the bill. I purchased item from your shop and this item got damaged within 2 days. Understood? Bill, why we are taking bill? It is an important proof. Bill is an important proof when we are purchasing any items. If any item got damaged on the time, we can show to the shopkeeper, yeah, this is I purchased, I took from your shop, but this item got damaged. Understood? Why we are taking bill? Bill is nothing but our proof. When we want to refund any items, that item got damaged, or we can say something, anything happen, then we can show to the bill, this is the bill I purchased from your shop. This item, your item got damaged and you can take your items. Understood? Bill is very, very important things. When students you are observing, when you are taking any bill, you can observe in the bill. After completion of the class, you can take any bill. You can check it in the bill. Normal bill is there. Suppose you are going to any shopping mall, they will mention everything. Firstly, they will mention name of the store. What is the name of the store? Next, they will mention address of the store, phone number. Next, date of transaction, list of items, list of each item cost. After the total. Next, tax also they are taking. Now, two words here, very, very important word is there. One word is the VAT. Listen carefully, everyone. One word is VAT. Second word is GST. This two concepts you learn very abroad in the coming classes like 8th class and 9th class. What is the VAT? VAT is nothing but value added tax. Okay, what is VAT? VAT is nothing but value added tax. What is the meaning of VAT? VAT is a form of tax from the perspective of buyer. When we are purchasing any items, the shopkeeper will mention this 2% or 1% tax they will include. Understood? What is VAT? VAT is the form of tax from the perspective of buyers. Understood? Means it is a tax on the purchase price. When we are purchasing any items, already they will mention included tax. Suppose we are purchasing any items on the wrapper, you will observe students, they have mentioned included tax. They will mention on the bracket included tax. That is nothing but VAT. VAT is nothing but value added tax, right? VAT is a tax on the purchased price. Next, what is GST? What is GST? Firstly, I want to explain what is the, if VAT concept was there, then why government has implemented GST concept? Why government has implemented GST concept? Listen carefully, everyone. Yes. If VAT concept was there, why government has implemented GST concept? Who has implemented GST concept? Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 1st July 2017, he has implemented GST concept. 1st July 2017, he has implemented GST concept in the midnight. What is the difference between VAT and GST? Suppose any item I am purchasing. If any item I am purchasing in the Telangana state, that item cost is different. If I am going to the like north side in Delhi side, yeah, in other side Maharashtra side, that item cost is different. Same cost, whatever item I am taking, suppose one item I am purchasing in Telangana, that cost is 2000 rupees. Same item I am purchasing in the like Delhi, that item cost is 2000 2020 rupees. Now you are observing in Telangana state, that item cost is 2000 rupees. But if we are going to Delhi, that item cost is 2020 rupees. Means here each and every item cost is varying state by state. When we are going to one state to the other state, item cost is varying, means item cost is changing. For that purpose, government has implemented GST concept. What is the full form of GST? Goods and service tax. Goods and GST. What is the full form of GST? Goods and service tax. What is the full form of VAT? Value added tax. Understood? Who has implemented GST concept? Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he has implemented GST concept 1st July 2017 in midnight, right? Understood? You understood what is the difference between VAT and GST? VAT is nothing but it is the tax form for the respective of buyers. It is a tax on the purchase item from that of the seller. It is a tax only on the value added to the product or material. When we are purchasing any items, already on the right wrapper they have mentioned included tax. That is nothing but value added tax, right? What is GST? Goods and service tax. Why government has implemented GST concept? Because state by state item cost was varying, item cost was changing. That's why prime or PM Narendra Modi, he implemented GST concept. If I am going to any states, each and every item cost will be same. This is the main difference between VAT and GST. Understood? Now keep heading everyone. Left side bill. What is the meaning of bill? Note down. Left side keep heading everyone. What is the meaning of bill? Left side keep heading. Whenever we buy something, whenever we buy something, whenever we buy something, the shopkeeper, the shopkeeper the shopkeeper gives us the shopkeeper gives us a statement of the total amount of the total amount of the total amount due to be paid. Shopkeeper is not mad, he will give one statement to you. Firstly, he want money. After paying money, he will give a bill. Whenever we buy something, the shopkeeper gives us a statement of the total amount due to be paid. This statement is called a bill. This statement is called the statement is called a bill. First star point note down. A bill is simply a bill is simply a printed or written statement a printed or written statement a printed or written statement that lists of the details list of the details a bill is simply a printed or written statement that lists the details of the goods, the details of the goods and services bought services bought and total money and the total money and the total money which needs which needs which needs to pay which needs to be pay which needs to be paid for them. A bill is simply a printed or written statement that lists all the details of the goods and services bought and the total money which needs to be paid for them. Understood? Sometime in our like streets are there, some like kirana shops are there. They will write a written statement. But when we are going to shopping mall, any big showroom, then what they will do? They will give printed statement, nothing but bill. Keep second star point. What is the importance of bill? Note down. Keep second star point. Note down second star point. Bill is an important proof. Bill is an important proof. Bill is an important proof of purchase. Important proof of purchase when seeking refunds for damaged goods. Refunds for damaged goods. Next, third star point down. A bill must contains must contain the following information. So many information bill is containing. Contain the following information. First information, what is that? So many information are there. Some information I'm writing here, student. Okay. Name of the store. Name of the store. Second, address of the store. Address of the store. Next, contact number of the store. Next, next things. List of items purchased. List of items purchased. Next, rate of each item. Rate of each item. Next, total. Next, sales tax. Yeah, tax. We can write simply tax. Next, cash given. Next, change received. So many information will be there if you are taking like showrooms anywhere like shopping mall, they will mention so many information. Next, keep heading. Next, keep heading. VAT, value added tax. Value added tax. VAT is a form of tax. VAT is a form of tax VAT is a form of tax from the perspective of buyers. VAT is the form of tax from the perspective of buyers. What is the meaning of perspective? A way of regarding situation or topics. Okay. Perspective, we can say position or views. Okay. Views of the buyers. Next. It is continue. It is a tax on continue. It is a tax on. It is a tax on the purchase price. Okay. Now GST concept is not there, but I have explained to you what is the difference between GST and VAT. I clearly explained to you. Now keep heading. Keep heading. Sample bill. What is the sample of the bill? Keep heading. Sample bill. Not simple. Sample. Everyone take open course book open page number 39. Open course book page number 39. Draw this sample. Already they have given in the course book. Open course book everyone, page number 39. Draw this bill in the class notebook. Firstly, start drawing everyone. Start drawing everyone. He has mentioned bill number first, no problem. Yeah, you need to draw this bill in the class notebook. Don't raise your hand. Draw this sample bill in class notebook. Bill number, next date, next customer's name, next address. So many types of different types of bills sample is there. This is one type of sample. Okay, this is not fixed, means only this is the sample. So many types of sample is there. Next, shop name and contact number. Don't write shop name. Whatever shop name he has given, no down. That is not fixed, means always I will write this shop name only. Gift shop. Any shop name you can mention. Okay, shop name. After that, contact number. Right. This is not fixed number. I have written my number. You can write your own number also. This is the two partition in the bill. Bill number, date, customer's name, address, shop name and contact number. Next, draw firstly student, don't waste your time. We have very less time. Next, first is serial number. Next, description, or we can say items, both are same. Description or item. Next, quantity. Next, rate, total. Here, whatever serial number we want to mention, we can mention here. Serial number 1, 2, 3. Items, any item we can mention here. Quantity, anything we can mention. Rate, any amount we can mention, and total we can mention anything. Okay. Next, total, Next, if tax is there, they will mention tax also. If tax is there, they will mention tax also. This is tax. Next, grand total. Next, cash. And last is cash return. Yeah, change return. This is the sample of bill. Means we want to prepare any bill. This is a sample. Firstly, first column will be serial number, description or item, quantity, rate and total. Now we are going to prepare the bill. Example first note down everyone. Example first. Ram went to big bazaar. Note down example first. Ram went to big bazaar. Ram went to big bazaar. Ram went to big bazaar and bought the following items. And bought the following items. The following items. Ram favorite is chips. With chips. Lays. Note down. He bought Lays chip 2 packet. Costing 15 rupees each. Next. 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 Ram went to big bazaar and bought the following items. Next, Sprite. Second, he bought Sprite. Five bottles. He wanted to give party to his friends. 5 bottles. Costing rupees 25 each. Okay. He paid a tax. He paid a tax of 5% on the total. He made cash payment. He made cash payment. He made a cash payment of 500 rupees. Make a bill showing his transaction. Make a bill showing his transaction. Don't worry, student. Tomorrow I will explain how to prepare this bill. Okay. Because already 1 minute is left.